Alright, fire alarm 719 here. And I'm going to test the fire alarm in my living room, and I'd like you to turn down your volume and get this over with, because this is very loud, and my parents are about to turn it off. So, here we go. And there you go, that's the alarm. And the small number is a V7001-24. Not 7001T or anything, it's a 7001 plain. And the strobe's not on the top or anything, it's not like that or not pointed out like that. It's pointed out like that, like a side strobe. And it does look like a 34. To let you know, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.